1, 2, 3, 4 to go up, pull 1, pull 2, and then chain 1, and then grab that last corner on that other side of the motif, which is here. Okay, just like this, and you will see it. You just go between and grab those 2 loops. Oops, lost a chain here. And then pull it just like this is all we do. And then we continue crocheting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go down. Slip stitch. This is the second leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4 to go up the third leaf. And then pull 1, pull 2, leave the 2. Pull 1, pull 2. 3 loops, so pull 2, pull 2. Ta-da! We're finished. We're finished joining. Okay, so I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then come to the third chain right here. This is how it looks like. So 1, 2, 3, and then make a slip stitch. And we're done. So I showed you how to crochet the 3 leaves, the 3 motifs joining, the one step by step I showed you. So you can go back and can watch and then rewind and pause, and then you can see how it looks like. Just put it down. It doesn't look good. I'm just gonna block it with the iron it, and I will be showing you how it looks, the end result. Let me weave this. I wish it was cotton. Yeah, you know, you pay for cotton. They're not cheap. They're pretty expensive. Feels like cotton. Yeah, but it's not. It burns. Let me just show it to you one more time. This is how you know that it's not cotton, because cotton does not burn. Okay? It will just stop. See this? Oops. See how it's burning? It's not supposed to burn when it's cotton. Just wanted to show you. So this is not cotton at all. It's acrylic. It's nylon. Yeah. I'm disappointed. I am really disappointed. This would be perfect for cover-ups. Yeah. So let me just pull this. Okay, I'll be right back to show you how it looks like. Ta-da! Doesn't this look nice? Oh my goodness. See how you join in between and it becomes like a flower in the between. I just love it, love it, love it. I just had to share this motif, and so I hope you like this tutorial. It's been a long tutorial, and this is on a black. See how big, wicked it looks. Yeah, I hope you like this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. Happy crocheting. Bye-bye.